Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Joga Parks.
Yeba fwethu sekubambile ulamthuthu.
Yeah.
Bathi muthe sipamisa John thula makasi saphandla.
Yeah.
Ziphakanyela zonke inkosi. Ziphakanyela zonke inkosi.
Yeah.
Nangu ulamthuthu.
Yeah.
Ulamthuthu uthembisa imarumo amanga.
Yeah.
Ukuthi imarumo khona amashansi ezowathatha.
Yeah.
Kuphi khona?
Yeah.
Ayithathwa ulamthuthu lena.
Yes.
Ikhaphu liyazi ubeleko abanye amakhaphu.
Yeah.
Sesinamakapa amabini.
Yes.
Ulamthuthu 0.
Yes.
Sinamakapa amabini.
Yes.
Sundowns 0.
Yes.
Ipirates ihlele ku1.
Yes.
Lamthuthu.
Yes.
Lamthuthu.
Yes.
Basopha.
Yes.
Uyaphuma ngisho na ku Confederation Cup. Awukho safe. Ulamthuthu luzile eGibhithe. Ulamthuthu wadrawa ePeter Mkaba. Lamthuthu sohlala ngesibuno esisodwa. Come back at home uzolwa ungayisembe uzodwa izembe manje.
Yes.
Webafo. Khona bafo.
Kiwo
usondela bafo webafo. Akabale kulamthuthu. Bafo sazongena bafo. Ulamthuthu simbambe enkotsheni. Lapho awushomazi kulo lamthuthu. Nango omunye umaminye.
Hayi.
Nangu maminye.
Uzoyisho ngeyakhe interview chairman. Ngiphi man of the match?
Wemfowethu.
Yeah.
Abalandeli bokuqala bePirates bebonke man of the match.
Yes.
Sold out.
Yeah.
Within 30 minutes.
Yes.
Amathithe evulelwe. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Since Pirates ibuye ngale short ebuye ngalo zonke istadium esihlala kuzona sold out. Of which imarumo iyazazi ayinabo kubalandeli. Aba Chiefs. Asasupport Chiefs. Lolo wa Sundowns. Lalela when we Chiefs, lolo Sundowns. Unabaphi abalandeli marumo. Unabaphi abalandeli marumo. Tell me nangu Sundowns night t-shirt emarumo. Because mvezi. Because unikezwe iskipa zamarumo.
Yeah.
Baphika abalandeli bemarumo.
Marumo mntanami.
Angangenze
Marumo mntanami.
nango munye.
Marumo mntanami.
Naye futhi
Marumo mntanami ukhuluma
lokuzana.
Because umntanami adopted.
Uyekile iCeltics.
Angiyayanga.
Bafowethu Tibos.
Ngiyiswelele mina.
Siwele ngeke so.
Ngizela kahle. Marumo is an adopted child.
Akengibona
Adopted child. Uze kithi uMarumo asitela ukuthi
yema se.
Umntana wethu Marumo.
Nawe futhi uzoyisuthi induku.
Can you respect Kaizer Chiefs?
Ngeke respect.
Can you respect Kaizer Chiefs Confederation?
Mapagania. Mapagania. Tibos. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu kuba bonke abalandeli. Guess what? Abalandeli bebela Peter Mkaba. Bebesuka all the way Zimbabwe, Botswana, Cape Town, Lesotho, in all 9 ama province. Ezo support Pirates abela. Bafowethu ngithi masebe drive back to home. Sithole Christmas before time. Now Christmas is efikile kuthina. Angaze next door. Angaze next door but escorting iChristmas ifikile. But next door angazi olamthuthu angazi goKhartoso angazi wembulo kwembeswa wendoda.
Ngihlala kibabuta karevapa
Kani sikala kubuza bebejwafu. Lo mthuthu ngibani ngoba kuthiwa mthuthu Kaizer Chiefs lo mthuthu.
Nangu lamthuthu.
Uthuthu obuyaphi?
Nangu lamthuthu.
Thank you, chairman.
Siyabonga bafowethu.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?